Hello guys, today I'm just going to make a video on some simple math tricks that you guys can do on the calculator. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel HyperDavester. It really helps a lot. So I'll try to make this video as short as possible. So let's start over, okay? Let's start x squared minus 3x minus 40 is equal to 50. Okay, so now in order to do this on the calculator, you just need to take out your calculator, okay? I'm just using the Casio calculator. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the menu setup. Alright, once you click on the menu setup, you just keep scrolling all the way till you get to equations. Okay, that's this place here. Now what you need to do then is to click on A, or you could just click on the equal sign that's on the button here. Alright, if you guys can see clearly, just click on the equal sign. Now you have to decide whether it's a simultaneous equation or a polynomial. So now your next step is to choose a polynomial because this has x raised to the power of 2. So you just click on 2. Now you have a polynomial degree. This polynomial degree, it just means that whatever x is raised to. So since here x is raised to 2, you're just going to select 2. Now here you have to put in your equation, as you guys can see here. All you need to do, since there is no number for x, is just 1. So you're just going to hit 1 is equal to, and for x there, you're just going to hit minus 3 equals minus 40 for C, minus 40. Once you hit that button, you can see that you get an x value of x1 value to be of 8. So that is 8, alright? And then now your next step is to click equal sign again, and you should be getting another value of x2 is equal to minus 5. Alright, now your next part is to work out the difference in minutes between 2 hours and 25 minutes and 1.5 hours. Now next step is to make this fraction into a decimal. Alright, so that 2 times 1 is 2, that is 3 by 2 hours. That's technically 1.5 hours, right? Since that's 1.5 hours, we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes, alright? And since we know that this is 0.5 hours, that's here, we need to convert this 0.5 hours into minutes. So now, in order to go back, what you need to do is you're going to hit this button again, and you're going to hit the menu button again, and just go back to your to the symbol eraser and calculate. Just hit the equal button again. Once you do that, you have 0.5 times 60. Hit that button 60 again, and you should be getting a value of 30. So you have 30 minutes, alright? So this means that since this is 2 hours, we have to work out the difference of 2 hours, 25 minutes. We're going to subtract 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now, how are you going to do this on the calculator? 2 hours, 25 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your calculator, and you're going to hit the button 2, and you're going to hit the symbol here next to fact. I think you just click on that. That represents the time in calculations. That represents 2 hours, 25 minutes. You hit 25, hit that button again. That's 25 minutes. You don't need to do for seconds. Hit the minus symbol, 1 hour. Do the same thing, symbol, add this symbol here. If you guys can see that, that's a symbol. And you hit 30, hit that symbol again. Alright, that's somewhere here. So once you hit that symbol, once you hit that symbol there, you're just going to click equal sign, and this should give you a value of 0 hours, 55 seconds, and 0 hours, 55 minutes, and 0 seconds. The circle represents hours. The 1 apostrophe represents the minutes, 2 apostrophes represents the seconds. So this gives us 55 minutes, alright? That's your answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next one is solving simultaneous equations. Now, how do you solve simultaneous equations? Go again, same process, hit the, just delete all of this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click menu setup again. Now you're just going to go to the same place where you've got for the equations. Hit equal sign again. You have to choose simultaneous equation, hit the button 1. Once you do that, you have to find the number of unknowns. So here, there are only 2, right? There are only x and y. So there are only 2 unknowns, so you have to just hit 2. Once you do that, you'll get a display showing two equations where you can write. So you're going to write 4. So you're going to put 4 equals, this is 3, equals 18 equals 1 equals minus 3 for y equals 7. Alright, so now you just hit the equal sign again. You will be getting a value for x on the calculator, that's 5 comma, and a value for y, that is minus 2 by 3. If you want to make this into a decimal, just click S to D, I think this button here, you get it in the decimal form. Anything else are they giving us? That's it. So these are your answers. X equals 5, y equals minus 2 by 3. Alright, straightforward and simple. Let's move on to the next question. Write 600 as a product. Now in order to go back, what you need to do is you're going to hit the, let's say, I'm just going to keep this here. You're going to hit the menu button, right? Once you do that, you're going to hit the menu button and you're going to go back to calculate. Once you do that, just click equal sign and you get that option there. Alright, okay. So now what you're going to do is, since we have to write 600 as a product of power of its prime factors, you're just going to write 600 on the calculator. You're just going to put 600 on the calculator. Once you do 600 on the calculator, click the equal sign here. Alright, and then all you need to do is press shift and click on this button here, the timing button, and you press shift fact. Once you do that, you'll get it in the power of prime factors. All you need to do is just write 600 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 5 raised to power 2. This is your answer. You just write the number down, put the equal sign, hit shift. Sorry guys, you're gonna hit shift and then you're gonna hit fact. Alright, so that's it. And then your next step is to calculate the mean. Now, in order to calculate the mean, all you need to do is hit this menu button again, and you're going to scroll all the way to statistics. You're going to hit 6 for statistics. Once you do that, you have, if you look at this, we have to calculate the mean of 10 numbers. So these are 10 numbers when I calculated. So when I calculated, these are 10 numbers that are given to us. So you're going to hit 1, since we want the I variable. That's where you calculate the mean. Once you do that, you'll get a table of values, and you're going to hit the numbers 2 equals 3 equals 4 equals 4 equals 4 equals 5 equals 6 equals 6 equals 7 equals 7 equals. Now after that, do not hit anything after that button. All you have to hit is just leave 11 as it is. Hit AC. Once you hit the button AC over there, you get this statistics I and variable. The next step that you need to do is just hit the option button. Just click on the option button. You should be getting a display showing select type, I variable calculations, and data. You need to select 2, the number 2, to get I variable calculations. Once you hit 2, you will be getting a display screen where the X bar, if you guys can see clearly, let's just lift this up. If you have X bar equals 4.8, this gives you the mean. So the X bar, right, is equal to 4.8. That's your mean. Whatever you see on the calculator with X bar equals 4.8, or whatever value you got, that's your mean. So the mean for these numbers are 4.8. And other ones are for your other calculations if you guys want to see it, alright? Otherwise, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this video on calculator tricks would have helped. Otherwise, please do like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. Otherwise, if you want to get back again, menu, just go back and click on calculate. This one, that's it. Otherwise, if you guys did enjoy the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Share it to your friends, family, anybody. Otherwise, just enjoy, and good luck to all those who are doing the maths exam. Hopefully this video would have helped. Otherwise, bye guys.